Hi everyone. What we're showcasing in this video is our standard fully automatic burr-free straightening and cutting machine. Model SDC4. Customized to the client's requirements, this machine is equipped with 3 sets of tooling for different pipe outer diameters: 6.0mm, 12.0mm, and 9.52mm. It can simultaneously process up to 4 pipes in one single operation. Right now, the machine is undergoing its final factory testing before shipment to Poland. In addition to the STC4, we also manufacture a full range of straightening and cutting machines compatible with various materials, including stainless steel pipes, aluminum pipes, copper pipes, and titanium alloy pipes. If you have any equipment needs, feel free to send us an email. We'll respond promptly. For detailed specifications and more product information, please visit our official website at www.retamachine.com.